Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you, does your WhatsApp get dual apps in your Redmi 13C smartphones? It has dual app or not? So let's check. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you can see this, go to settings option, go to apps, and here you can see this. There is no dual app here. There is no option, and you can search it on the settings option. The Redmi 13C smartphones have not dual apps. You can see there is a dual clock but not dual apps. How you can give another alternative, how you can use it by downloading an app. All the videos on others is fake. How you can set your app in the Play Store? Just go to the settings, go to the search icon, click on search, and here it is a app cloner. Click on app cloner and download any one of this. I have downloaded this one. Click on to open it, and you have to read and agree and continue. And you can see there is a WhatsApp. If you want to dual the app of WhatsApp, then you have to simply click on the WhatsApp, and you can see adding now, please hold, and clone is made. You can see you can make your another account and use it in the cloner app like this. And at the back friends, you can see the second WhatsApp is in the app. You can see this, and if you just go back and open the WhatsApp, you can see the two. It is the first WhatsApp and it is the second WhatsApp in your cloner app. You can see this, and it is an extension on this extension of the app. You can use double accounts at the same time. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.